Are you aware that the letter Noon can be held on to? Well, I'm Adil Rahim from Quran Flow, presenting to you for your 10-day Quran challenge for Dhul Hijjah. Now, what do I mean by holding on to the letter Noon? You see, we have many examples here of letter Noon with the shaddah, with the W on it, with the strong sign. Now, this entails two concepts, two things specifically. The first is you want to ensure that you're holding this sound, okay? And you're going to hold it for 2 counts. What do I mean by hold and what do I mean by counts? A count is the time that it takes you to say a or e or u, right? So you want to hold it for 2 counts. And where are you holding it? You should hold it in your nasal passage. So it's going to have a nasally sound, right? So if you block your nose, right, I want you to hold on to the letter Noon. And it's not coming out, right? Because I'm blocking it. But then you want to ensure, that's how you ensure that you're pronouncing it correctly. Ensure that it's being held in your nasal passage for 2 counts. And that is whenever the letter Noon has that W on it, that strong sign, that shaddah, right? So it should sound An-Nas. Read it with me. Just one more time. Try it again. Do you hear that? Look, sound doesn't come out. That means that it's being pronounced in your nasal passage. An-Nas. An-Nas. Beautiful job. Now let's do a practical application of this, and let's recite Surah An-Nas together, as we have many examples of this rule being applied here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. That was perfect. You held that letter beautifully in your nasal passage. If you want to learn more about this rule and other letters that are held in our nasal passage, visit us at quranflow.org and enroll in our upcoming semester. I look forward to seeing you guys over there. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.